Hello everyone, I'm Ma'am Shomi back again with another video, and as promised, this is part 2 of the poem I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, written by Maya Angelou. Let us not waste our time, let's begin as soon as possible. Question 17. How many stanzas are there in the poem? 6, 7, 4, 8. The right answer is 6 stanzas, option A. Question 18. What are the orange sun rays symbolic of? Daylight, happiness, spring or dawn? The orange sun rays symbolize daylight, option A. The next question, question 19. Why does the caged bird sing? It enjoys singing. Birds sing. It has to find a way to express his agony. It is calling the other birds of the flock. The right answer, option C. It has to find a way to express his agony. Question 20. Identify the literary device used in the following line. And the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn. Alliteration, metaphor, pun or onomatopoeia. The right answer, option A. Alliteration, worms waiting. Question 21. The free bird thinks of another breeze. What is the significance of these words? The free bird is proud of himself? No. The free bird has freedom of choice? Yes. The free bird is in a dilemma? Not at all. The free bird is pondering over the plight of the caged bird? No, this is also not correct. The right answer is the free bird has freedom of choice. Who has access to the sighing trees? Free bird, caged bird, fat worms, the owner of the bird. Free bird is the right answer, option A. Which literary device is present in and he names the sky his own? Hyperbole, anaphora, simile, transferred epithet. The right answer is hyperbole. Hyperbole is composed of striking exaggeration. And in the first stanza also we had an example of hyperbole. What was it? And dares to claim the sky. Question 24. The free bird demonstrates freedom and power when it stalks down his narrow cage, sings with a fearful trill, stands on the grave of dreams, claims the sky. The free bird claims the sky, demonstrating freedom and power. Fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn indicates the free bird's liking for worms, the free bird's opportunity at hand. The opportunities the white Americans enjoy, both B and C. The right answer is D, option D, both B and C. The free bird's opportunity at hand. The free bird is free to find its own food, and the free bird is a metaphor for the white Americans, and the opportunity enjoyed by the free bird is also a metaphor of the opportunities the white Americans enjoy. Next, question 26. The caged bird's sufferings are not expressed in the words. Not expressed. Grave of dreams, nightmare scream, wings are clipped, floats downstream. The right answer is option D, floats downstream. Question 27. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. Identify the figure of speech. Irony, simile, alliteration, hyperbole. His shadow shouts. Shadow S. Shouts also begins with S, and scream also begins with an S. The right answer, option C, alliteration. What is not a major conflict in the poem? The caged bird longs for a freedom he has never known. The caged bird uses his voice to move through the space his body cannot access. The struggle of a black author whose words are not heard. The yearning to gain acclaim and recognition. What is not a major conflict? The yearning to gain acclaim and recognition is not a major conflict in the poem. The other options are conflicts in the poem. The caged bird longs for a freedom he has never known. The caged bird uses his voice to move through the space his body cannot access, and the struggle of a black author, that is Maya Angelou's struggle, is evident. Question 29. Which stanza repeats at the end of the poem? Stanza 3, stanza 1, stanza 2, none of the above. Stanza 3 is repeated at the end of the poem. What nightmare is being referred to? The inability of the caged bird to feed upon worms, seeing free birds flying in the sky, his inability to sing, fear about being ever released. The right answer, fear about being ever released. Next, question 31. In the poem, what is the grave of dreams? The free bird's nest, the caged bird's perch, the graveyard where the caged bird lives, the sky. The right answer is option B, the caged bird's perch. In which line of the poem does Maya Angelou show the anger one would feel at the loss of freedom? And dares to claim the sky? No. So he opens his throat to sing. This is also not right. Can seldom see through his bars of rage. Yes, this is the right answer. Option C. Let me read option D also for you. And dips his wing. Well, this also does not suggest anger and lack of freedom. The right answer therefore is can seldom see through his bars of rage. 33. What physical movement does the caged bird do before singing? Drinks water, opens his throat, wakes up from his sleep, or spins around? He opens his throat. So he opens his throat to sing. Next, what attitude does the speaker attribute to the free bird? Envy, frustration, entitlement, or bitterness? Free bird. Okay? So, what is the attitude of the free bird? He has a sense of entitlement. He is not envious, he is not frustrated, he is not bitter also. Question 35. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. What are the figures of speech here? Personification, alliteration, hyperbole, simile, both A and B. The right answer is both A and B, personification as well as alliteration. His shadow is personified and alliteration because of shadow S, shouts S and scream also S. What does the expression his wings are clipped signify? The wings of the caged bird are stuck in the cage. The freedom of the caged bird is taken away. Someone caught the bird. The caged bird enjoys living in the cage. The right answer, the freedom of the caged bird is taken away, and that too forcibly. 37. What prevents the caged bird from flying? His broken wings and his inability to sing. This is not the right answer. His trimmed feathers and his damaged throat, another incorrect option. His rage at being held captive. No. The narrow cage and clipped wings. He cannot fly because of the narrow cage and clipped wings. The right answer is option B. Why do some stanzas begin with but? To show the similarity in the plight or fate of a free bird and a caged bird. Definitely not the similarity. Okay, so not the right answer. To show the stark contrast in the condition of a free bird and a caged bird. Yes, this is the right option. Therefore, the right answer. B. Let me read the other options as well. To show the difference in the plight of the free bird and the fat worms. No, this is not right. To divert the attention of the readers. Incorrect option. As I told you, the right answer is option B. To show the stark contrast, the stark difference in the condition of a free bird and a caged bird. Next, it's time for question number 39. If the caged bird is the protagonist of the poem, who or what is the antagonist? the free bird, the unidentified speaker, the circumstances that limits the freedom of the caged bird, the owner of the birds. The right answer is the circumstances that limits the freedom of the caged bird. Question 40. In the poem, Angelou uses the theme of dash as a foil to the theme of freedom, oppression, anxiety, fear, pain. She uses the theme of oppression as a foil to the theme of freedom. Question 41. Which one is not a theme of the poem? I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. Resilience, freedom, oppression, hatred. The right answer is option D, hatred. Next, the fat worms the free bird knows are waiting for him on lawns are symbol of the free bird's overconfidence, the free bird's entitlement, the free bird's natural habitat, the free bird's powerful flight muscles. The right answer, option B, the free bird's entitlement. The next question. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings is most often interpreted as an allegory for what? Environmental activism, the perils of bird ownership, a comparison between the relative freedom of white and black Americans, or there is no political or moral significance. The right answer is, it is an allegory because of a comparison between the relative freedom of white and black Americans. Now, my dear boys and girls, we have just finished learning the poem I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. There are many multiple choice questions. Read the text thoroughly. Read these multiple choice questions. Watch the entire videos. In fact, there are two videos, part 1 and part 2. I will give the links, the playlist in the description box. Kindly check it and also wait for our other videos. Study hard, practice well and be fit. All the best. Bye.